Sounds a bit cliche, but we are involved in saving people's lives.
Knowing that we've helped someone in the hospital.
You do feel like you are having an impact.
The minute the donations come to the door, that is the start of the process. We actually handle the donations as they come literally from the vein.
And we'll test their blood for a specific group and also checking that there's no infectious viruses inside that blood. So we're essentially checking that the donation is safe and also correct for the patient it's going to.
Then we start the processing regime, whereby we actually filter every single item that comes in.
We've got manufacturing and processing, so they'll take the whole blood donation. We do antenatal testing, antibody investigations, provide a cross-match service for hospitals.
All the processes are followed, whether they go to automation, if they go to QA for testing. That actually is the final process, is it leaving the door, being issued to one of those 20 major hospitals.
I think what's surprising about the Welsh Blood Service is how many different roles that there are.
I'm a biomedical scientist.
I'm a medical lab assistant.
I'm a biomedical scientist in automated testing.
I'm a rotational biomedical scientist.
If you're investigative and want to know how things work, this is an ideal job for you. The job is never the same thing every day.
We treat each other as family, really.
I get an awful lot of pride from it, knowing that we are so crucial to saving lives.